Think of it as a camera slider with wheels. It's literally driving around. Now, it gets to each extreme end, it's gonna slow down. So this is from Neewer, and this is their DL300 Electric Video Dolly. Think of it as a camera slider with wheels. It does the same thing as a camera slider, but it uses the table to be that pivot point. So if you want to have a parallax slider, you have to do all the settings to get the angles just right, get the speeds just right. You need to have an app, and you need to have or use a controller like my other one has. So if I wanted to use this with another device, such as the DJI, I could do that. I'm going to add an additional tripod base to this. Now, this doesn't come with the Neewer DL300, but what I found is this makes it really, really easy to do some really cool looking videos. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start this guy up. Then I'm going to show you the benefits of using this. Very, very easy to use. I'll show you the buttons on here first. To start it off, all you have to do is hit the power button. It's going to have 5 different levels. So there's level 1, and then you're going to be able to do forward, back. Now it's showing you the battery level on here. So there's 4 lights, and that means I have a full battery. So it's going to start driving around. Now I can increase this from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is medium. So I'm going to do medium speed. Now if I want it to turn, I just pivot the whole unit. Now, I'm going to go ahead and see if you can see what this looks like. So if I take this device, which is set to number 3, and I hit the go button, it's literally driving around. Now, I can tell that this is going to be a little too sharp. So we're watching this right here. If I were to bring it on the top down, I don't think it's in view yet. Yeah, you can see it's right on the outside. So it's driving itself around. So if I had a product that I want to do a product shot on, you'll see in a lot of my videos, I've done exactly that. If I had a product and I wanted to circle the product, I could literally set this here. I could put the product right in this area. And now my camera, whether it's a heavy DSLR, it's going to be maybe this AVCANs that's running, or anything else, it can do that pan or that time lapse or whatever you want. Now the neat thing about this is there is an app for it. I'm going to open the Neewer app, and I can open up the DL300, and I can see that it's on one direction right now, and I can stop it. So it's going to slow nicely to a stop. The running mode here is slow, constant, or slow. Constant means that it's going to be going one speed and then stop abruptly. If you have it on slow, it doesn't mean that it's slow. It means that it's going to do slow starts and stops. So now that can start it, and it's actually going across right now. I can stop it again. Once it's stopped, I can adjust the speed, so I can go up to 5. So let's go take a look at what 5 looks like. And we're going to see this thing start to drive basically off the table. So you can see it right there. It's moving along. I'm trying to think if I can show the parallax, but this computer decided to update right in the middle. There's a couple other modes you should know about. So it does have the ability to set A and B points. So I can set the A point. I have to get it to the A point. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Cheating here. I'm going to set the A point of my video there. Looks good. I'm going to set the B point, and the way that you set the B point is you actually do let it get all the way to where you want it to be. So let's say we're on speed number 5 here. I'm going to say I want it to basically stop there. Once you start seeing this slider view, you're going to start to see it in all of your YouTube videos. All of the great YouTubers are using this capability. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to loop, and I'm going to say, instead of constant, I'm going to say slow. What that means is as it gets to each extreme end, it's going to slow down, and then it's going to stop. So let's take a look at this one. So the beauty of this is it did a soft start here. Now it's going to speed up to level 5, which is what we told it. It's going to come over to point A, slow down, stop, turn around, and it's going to do it again. So this is set way too fast. Nobody would ever record this fast. But if you had your subject and you wanted to add a little bit of visual interest, maybe it's a conference or church or something, you can literally do all the controls right here. But if you maybe had this away from you and you're doing a production thing, maybe you had this be your remote little camera, you could use the app to control it. So very cool features there.